Thanks for checking out the Jones Paint and Glass tips and techniques. We hope that these helpful hints will assist you in making your home a personal sanctuary. Today we're going to show you how to remove the vent from a single hung window. Come on over, I'll show you how. Unlock the vent and lift it. Release the takeout clip. It's a metal clip on each side. Lift the vent past the takeout clip until you feel it release and you can move it back and forth. Move it to one side, bring the other side toward you, and remove the vent. If you're going to remove the sash balances, the balances that are on each side, push down on the top of the sash balance underneath the takeout clip, and then pull the top of the sash balance toward you. Then allow the balance to be lifted up. There's a hook that will release. If you were to put that back in, make sure this hook goes back into the hole that is provided in the side of the single hung window. Push down on the top of the sash balance, hook underneath the takeout clip, and tension is placed there. To put the vent back in, start above the top of the sash balance, about in the middle if it's possible. Go to one side, push the vent in, center the vent in the window, and allow the vent to gradually drop until you feel the tension in the balance on the vent. Close the vent, then close the takeout clips, and you've successfully done it.
When you hear the crash, you better think Jones Paint.